If you want to close all running background apps on the Xiaomi 17, here's what you need to do. If you use gestures for navigation in order to open the recents or the list of background apps, you just have to swipe from the bottom of the phone towards the middle and hold your finger for like a half a second or so in order to open this menu. And besides that, if you use buttons instead, you just have to tap on the square button that we have here in this place. And another thing that is worth mentioning is, of course, the style of recents, because we have 3 styles in total. And if you want to choose which style you want to use, you just have to open settings and go to the home screen settings. There we go, and then in here we have arrange items in recents. Alright, so if you have a couple of apps opened and if you have the vertical style, then in order to close an app, a single one, you just have to swipe it to the left or right side of the screen. Or you can use this X at the bottom of the screen in order to close everything at once. For the horizontal and the stack style, you will have to just swipe up in order to close a single app, and this works in both cases. And we have the X, of course, just like before, in order to close everything at once. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.